ClientLook's integrated project collaboration is one of the very unique features of the CRM system. You'll use ClientLook as a CRM to track all your contacts and communicate internally, and you'll use the project collaboration features to communicate and collaborate with the outside world. Now, all your projects are available in the Projects module, which is accessed by clicking the Projects link at the top of the page. The list that you see represents all of those projects in which you're involved. Now, to add a new project, just click the Add a New Project button in the upper right corner. Now, this simple page that appears prompts you to enter all of the fields necessary to create a project. The only field that's really required is the project name. But you can add a photo here, like a logo of your client, or a photograph, or anything else that might represent graphically what this project means to you and your company. You can add a project name. The status field dictates whether this project is currently active or inactive. Once the project concludes, you'll mark it as inactive to archive all the contents of this project, leave everything intact, but cause this project not to show up on your default projects list. Now you can enter a primary client here by just entering a few characters and selecting a name from the list of companies that appear. Now, project type allows you to describe whether this is assignment or some other type of project based on what you see in the list here. You can add a description of what this project means internally. The next four fields relate to a forecast of sorts. It allows you to track a pipeline and the value of a deal and move a project through various sales stages if it's appropriate. The probability field provides from 10% up to 100% close dates. The sales stage describes the various stages that a project may go through. Deal amount allows you to assign a value for this project, and the close date indicates the date that you expect this project to conclude one way or another. Now, as so many projects do, if it involves an address or a physical location of some sort, you can enter the property details here. You can enter the address and even choose a property type. Now, the fields that follow below this are all custom fields. These are fields that are particular to your subscription. So in this example here, you see 10 or 12 fields that exist only within my subscription. When you go to add your first project, you probably won't see any fields here. If you want to add some custom fields, you just click this link at the bottom or go to the Setup module. But either way, custom fields allow you to track any sort of information that you might want about a project. Now at the bottom, you can change who this project is shared with. Now by default, the project is shared with everyone in your subscription. You can change that, however, to be just me, which privatizes the project to you, or project participants. Now this means that when anybody in your subscription accesses the Projects module, they'll only see this project if they're related to the project as a participant. Now over here on the right, the project by default is assigned to you, but you can change that assignment and assign it to somebody else in your subscription if you'd like. Once you're done, just click Add this project. And ClientLook will display for you the project detail page. It'll show you the name of the project at the top and any image that you added, the information that it gleans from the connected primary client, your description, and the email address that the system automatically assigned to the project. You can now send emails, assuming the email address is used in the to or the CC field, and the contents of that email will become automatic updates attached to this project. And that's it. If you want to edit this project, you just click the Edit This Project link in the upper right corner, and the rest of the tabs are available here to track your ongoing activity as this project goes through its stages of completion. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out all the other tutorials in our video showcase at ClientLook.com.